My backyard has a 12 by 12 concrete patio, and it just had or developed a crack right in the middle like that. And this is not good, mostly because we have a harsh winter, so if water gets in and then it freezes, it's gonna keep cracking it more and more until it destroys the whole concrete. So it's better to cover it, and I'm gonna teach you how to do that. The first step would be to use a brush like this, like a metal brush, to clean all the area, like for example, and remove any loose material, like this one. You can use a screwdriver or something, but I think this one is pretty much loose. Yeah, there you go. So clean everything to make sure that it's dry. Today's a sunny day, so it's perfect to do it. Just clean the area like that. Go through the whole thing. The preparation is very important. Once it's ready, then I'll show you the product that I'm gonna apply on this crack. For this job, we're gonna be using the Sika Crack Flex Sealant, which that image pretty much says it all. In 1 hour it should be cured, but you have to wait 3 days at least to be fully cured. To do this, you have to cut the nozzle pretty much to the size of the crack and break the seal inside with something like a long needle. I use like the internal part of a cable, like electricity cable. I'll break the seal inside, and then I'll use a 10 ounces caulk gun just to deploy this and put this all around the crack. Just put a little bit and it will self-level, so don't overflow it, or then you can tool it if you need it. Once you apply it, let it sit for a while, because you will notice that it will get into the crack, and you see it's deeping a little bit. So you may want to add a little bit more in that area, because otherwise when the water comes in, it will just stay there and it will freeze. You want to keep it away from the crack. So this is how it looks when it's finished. I know it's super bright, even though the color is gray, but if you want to do an extra touch and you want to hide it a little bit more, then you do this. You use some sand and you just put it on top of it. At that point, you can tap it a little bit and leave it, so it cures like that for 3 days. Then when you either clean it with water or whatever, it will stay on that color.